Pasensya na. Talagang trying to learn how to do live. Okay, naririnig nyo na ba ako? Pasensya na. Tawagan ko muna yung husband ko. Naririnig nyo na ba ako? Okay na. Okay, thank you so much, Blue Spectrum 66. Kung naririnig nyo na ako, thank you so much. So, nandito na ako sa area. Hold on, my husband is calling me. Yes, my love. I'm good now. So, if you can come here now so we can go to the theater. Okay? I'm not. Okay. I'm gonna wait for you, okay? Okay. And you have the key here in the car, right? Okay. Bye-bye. Okay, yun yung husband ko. Labas muna ako sa sasakyan. Ay, ang init. Nako. Meron pa naman tayong around 40 minutes, I think, to start the para mag-start yung concert. Ito yung area. Okay. I'm just waiting for my husband, so we're here. Ayan. Let me just check yung area. I'm just waiting for my husband. Teka, pasensya na po talaga. I was just looking. Okay. Ayan yung area. And I think yung Cornelius ay yung maraming nakapila. Pupunta tayo doon. I'm just waiting for my husband. Okay? And that's my hubby coming. I'm gonna prepare my ticket. Actually, ito yung ticket ko. One for me and one for my mahal. Okay. We're ready. I'll give you the ticket. One for you and one for me. You have the car key. If you can lock the car, please.
Where's your key?
Oh, I don't have my key.
What do you have to get the keys?
Oh, shoot.
Well, I have the keys.
I'm so sorry. I need to get my key. Ano pala yung car key ko? Naku, ano ba yan?
Now, baby, these, well, you don't have to bring them, honey. I mean, but I'm not sure if it's going to lock.
Okay. So,
Why don't you give me this?
mahal, that's our...
Tickets?
Yeah, that's our ticket, okay? So, put that one in... Okay, sorry.
Now, honey,
Yep.
are we going to be standing?
I'm not sure. Hello po. Hi. Magano rin pa kayo? Ayan. Live po tayo sa Musica World Music. Okay, sa Pilipinas po. So punta rin kami doon at manunood.
Okay, see you there.
Sige po. Okay, isa nating kababayan.
Were
Ayan
you talking
pa.
Tagalog or Biconino?
Tagalog, my love. So
okay.
they will...
YouTube channel mo.
Musica World Music po sa Philippines.
Titinan kita. Hanapin kita.
Opo.
Unlearning ng SB19 talaga.
Talaga mo.
2019 pa.
Talaga. Sino po yung fave
Ito
ninyo?
kapatid ko.
Ito
Ken
yun,
ako.
oh.
Ken Bias.
Oh, me too! Me
Ito
too. Sige.
sister ko.
Okay.
Na-recruit ko yan. Tsaka si Kyla, na-recruit ko rin.
And my husband too. Kahit hindi niya kilala. Okay, support tayo. Sige po. Ayan, yung mga fans dito. Nako, talaga naman. Ma, you wanna say something? Oh, you always bro. Okay, for si Faye. Magandang umaga dyan. Si Mape, si Blue Spectrum, Diana, Bambina, Bambina. I hope you are enjoying this one.
You have enough power?
What?
You have enough power?
Oh yes, I charged this one. Ayan, naku po. Maraming nakapila. Ito yung area ng pagdadausan.
I was coming here.
Naku po, ayan na. Doon tayo sa dulo. Ayan, tingnan nyo, oh. Guys, ang dami. I know, I know. Tingnan nyo man ang linya, oh. Grabe. Hi. Hi. Ayan. Doon kami sa dulo. Ano po? Ayan. Mamaya magtatanong tayo.
Where's your man?
I forgot my mask actually. Ayan po. Ang harapan.
You get the Copernican event up there?
What?
Where it says Copernican.
At least, nagmumove naman
this
yung
is gonna be
light.
good, honey.
What?
Taste of Bologna. What is this?
I'm not sure.
I was here once. I had a lot of fun. Polish drink very good beer, and they drink until they fall.
Magandang umaga, Killing Saints. Ayan, tingnan nyo naman ang linyada. Naku po. Ayan, mamaya mag-interview tayo.
But we have to leave at 9
Of course,
because of parking. Just up to 9 o'clock.
until you cannot put like
No.
a
Like I would have to come out and put another out. Unless you want to just.
linya. 8 o'clock ang start ng concert. Ayun, dami pa sa labas pa. Ayan.
Dito siguro sa pinto. Kasi ako kung ano kasi. Kasi sabi nung ano.
And otherwise, thank you so much. Ayan. Hi. Hello. Ang dami.
Aisle 1 or 2.
Thank you so much. O, doon pala kami sa gilid. Hi.
Enjoy.
Thank you so much. Ayan, nandito na tayo. Which number? I think we're K. K1 and what's the name?
Aisle 1 or 2. Okay, T2.
Okay. We need to find our seats.
Okay,
orange.
come on, keep on going.
Keep on going. I think we will be on that side. Okay, hold on. K.
Okay.
K10. So I think we'll be all the way over there.
I'm gonna go back there.
This is 1 and 2. And you guys, oh, ayan. Yes, 1 and 2. So we will be. Theater. Shout out to Diana Chavez, to Bambina, to Krista, to June, to Chris.
Maybe you can sit there.
Yeah.
So you can head off the.
Ma'am, say hi po. Hello. Hello po. Alay po tayo sa Musical World Music. Sino po ang ano nyo, bet nyo sa SB19?
Everyone!
Everyone?
Yay!
Okay. Okay po, maraming salamat. Ayan, nagsasahan na sila. Isa. Ako. Opo, sa music, Musical World Music po. Nakalay po tayo. Musical World Music. Sa YouTube po. And then search po yung Musical World Music. Musical with a K. M-U-S-I-K. Musical World Music. Musical World Music. Ayan po.
Okay.
Nakalay po tayo.
Sorry. Tapos,
Ayan po. Nakalay po tayo. Mahal, I'll just ask some of
No, what you gotta do.
you stay here, okay? Baka mag-interview tayo. Hello, ma'am. Live po tayo ng Musical World Music. Say hi po sa Pilipinas. Ayan, manonood din sila. Shoutout po kayo, shoutout po kayo. Sinong gusto nyo batiin?
sa mga family ko dyan. Shoutout kay Sam.
Oh, isang daw.
Hi, Sam.
Saan po? Saan? Sa Pinas?
Sa BF Paranaque.
Okay, Sam from BF of Paranaque.
Just in case they have time.
Okay. Ayan. So, marami. Ayan. Sino pang bet ninyo sa SB19?
Kaya it is 10.
Me too. Ayan. Pasensya na ka, Lord, kasi madilim dito eh. So, dahan-dahanin ko lang. Shout out to Kate Josa. MySpace. Ayan. Pero parating pa naman yung mga manunood.
Come on, Kanto. You're free to be ticket. Naliligo ang mga. Hindi pa ba kayo naliligo?
Hello po! Live po tayo sa Musical World Music! Baka gusto nyo po mag-shoutout! Ayan! Shoutout po kanino!
Hello po.
Sino pong papatiin nyo?
Watch out po sa lahat. Watch out.
Ayan! Almost puno na siya. Excited na talaga ako. Grabe, to the max. To the max. Grabe ang energy dito. Ako muna ako. Ayun yun. Yes.
You want something to drink?
Maybe later. Yes.
Maybe wait in the basket.
Sino po?
I like your, how you call each other.
Baby, do you want to go there? You want to come over there?
Ano po, last minute na ngayon lang kasi. Mahal-mahal din po eh. Ano yun, pinabot ng 159 po.
Ha?
159 po.
Kami 289 kami.
Kaninang umaga, opo, kaninang umaga lang po ako bumili. yung kapatid ko po ang bumili, nag-send sa akin ng link. Pero worth it naman po. Sige, Mahal. She wants to take a picture of us because I call you Mahal and you call me Mahal. Di ko alam kung oras ang sound check. But they will start at 8 p.m. Yes, my love.
What do you want?
Sweet Coke, whatever. Thank you, my love. Magandang araw kay JTV's, Channel Guy, Emmanuel, Bernadette Monero, Riza Lazo, and Diana. Okay? Shout out to Christopher, Domingo, to Bambina. Tama, worth it talaga ang aming pagbili ng ticket dito. Ayan, pawis na ako guys. Grabe, mainit. Naku po. Ayan. Bumili yung husband ko na painom. May panahon. Ayan. Naku po yan, pawis na po ako. Pasensya na.
We know immigration cases, including immigrants and non-immigrants politicians, and these workers are engaging in business in the United States. Have you or someone here about the $90 billion crash? If I call on President Street or go right across it, engineers the entrance and passenger and crew member. Let our dedicated team of professionals answer your questions about the understanding.
Maraming salamat, Naimi. Shoutout to Dan Espino. Hopefully mapuno tong venue. Marami pa namang parating eh. Tsaka hindi pa naman 8 o'clock dito.
Consultation is free. This bar experience the difference.
Oh, maraming salamat po. We have another subscriber dito. Maraming salamat po.
Hey guys.
Emergency. Walang naman lang sino. Sana mag-enjoy kayong lahat. Actually, doon sa kabilang part, yung puno siya, oh. Yung driver parating. Ayun. Yes, subscribe tayo sa Roscoe World Music. I'm not sure, Riza, if nag-sound check na sila. I don't think so. I'm still waiting for my hubby. Marcy, busy sila. Ma'am, gusto niyo pong bumati sa mga 80s, sa mga SB19 fans sa Pilipinas. Live po tayo sa Musical World Music. Shoutout kayo dyan. Sino gusto niyong batiin? Maraming nanonood ngayon. You wanna greet someone? Okay, yes. We're live. We're live actually. Mga kabayan natin. Ayan, malapit lang tayo sa stage, oh. Ayan, so sana magsimula na. Anong oras na ba? Tingnan nga natin. Time check is 7:43. So we've got 17 minutes para magsimula. Hinintay ko pa ang mahal ko. Ewan ko, nasaan na yun. Matagal siya bago makabili ng inume. To Maynili, don't worry, successful itong concert ng SB19. Shout out to Riza May Parker. Yes, nakalive tayo ngayon dito sa loob ng theater. We've got 15 more minutes to go to start this concert. Buti na lang, malapit kami dito sa stage. Pagkatan! Ayan. Ayan. Wow, meron tayong viewer from Canada. Magandang araw sa inyo dyan. Ayan, malapit na magsimula. Malaki naman kasi itong theater, oh. Meron silang, anong tawag doon? Orchestra pa yan. Almost time na. Yan. Wala pa
MTS Law has been serving the community since 2010. We handle immigration cases, including family-based and non-family-based petitions, citizenship, and visas for investment or engaging in business in the United States. For someone to hear about an injury in the auto crash, hit by a car on Hudson Street, or while riding a bicycle, injured in a sudden fall inside a business, or been injured as a passenger in an Uber or Lyft. Let our dedicated team of professionals answer your questions.
part ng show. New Spectrum 66. Shout out sa inyo dyan. Right now po. May mga MP6 yun talaga sa likuran. Pero we're still waiting. Shout out to I Am Elaine and to James Sanika Hikoy. I'll try my best na magunan ko to hanggang matapos ang show ng SB19. Marami talagang supporters dito, mga diehard fan ng SB19. So, to TV, shout out sa iyo dyan. Let me chat, anong oras ba? What time is it now dito? It's 7:53 p.m. Dito, so 7 more minutes bago magsimula. Dan Sistino, mixed emotion din dito. Super excited. Talagang, nako po. Talagang enjoy tayo dito. Shout out to Lynn Saints. Magandang araw sa inyo. And to Christine Ranga. Heart, heart, heart. To Mirna Aquino. Magandang araw sa iyo. To Lindsay's, yes. Talagang nag-enjoy ako dito at ang ating mga kababayan. To Mamie, hopefully may dumating pa, humabol pa. Pero may mga seats pa rin na hindi napifill up. Ayun, sa backside, talagang konti doon. Pero doon sa unahan, you will see is full pack talaga siya.
We're sorry, no live streaming.
Okay, thank you. I'll start this one. Pasensya na, kailangan kong i-close to.
Yeah.